So here it is, the HP NV12 case. So as you know, I've been looking for a case for my budget PC challenge, and there were several options. I was actually just going to use a pre-built and concentrate on the performance, but I found this case on Facebook, and I don't know why. I'm super excited about it. It looks like a fancy $100 case, but it's actually a pre-built case. So I don't have a lot of information on it. It's from an HP NV12, which is a pretty recent computer, I believe. I like this. I like the grills on top. It has USB-C. It's just very clean. I'm not really a big fan of the clear side panel because I don't really need to look inside a computer that I built. I already know what's in there. But this is interesting, these vents. Or I guess you would say it's an intake port. So behind here, there's the fan placement. And I guess the air comes in from here. But when you look at it from this direction, see, it looks like just a regular old case. So, let's take a look inside. Check this out. It's like an Optiplex, but it doesn't have that ugly switch here. It's on the back, so when you close this, you just go boom. I love that. And then this comes off at some point. Why is it not coming off? Okay, that comes off. And then you have your case. But if you look at this as far as a pre-built case, it looks like a professional case. You have power supply on the bottom. You have the filter, which doesn't look very serviceable. There's some screws here. And then you have, this is the, I saw this in a video. This is the GPU bracket. Yeah, I think this came with a 30 series originally, so that held on to the bracket on the GPU so it wouldn't sag. So I'll probably take that out. And then you have just a basic one hard drive thing here. The motherboard had a onboard SSD, so you didn't really need any hard drive cages. And then you have a front intake fan. So that's going to grab air from here and go through here. And what else? Oh, there's a rear exit fan here. So it's almost like a gaming case, but it's not. I don't know, I'm really excited about this case. The thing that confuses me is this. So it has this, which you would assume would be for fan or radiator mounting. But if you look inside, there's no mounting. It's like it's blocked off. So I wonder if, oh wait, actually this comes off right here. So if you undo the screws, it seems like this probably slides off. I guess to clean the filter. Yeah, it kind of moves a little bit, so I think this pops off. So I think what I'm going to do is figure out how to remove, oh, these pop out, see? I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little X mark right here. and you can pop these out. Because the X is where you could put a screwdriver in and pop out these little ports. So I think I'm gonna, oh, this one's already out, look, see? Now it's open. Oh, that's cool. Also, this has feet, which I like. So yeah, I mean, I think we can do something with this. And so this is for the PC build challenge that I posted. I'll have a link to that below. Oh, yep, this one popped out too. So there is a way to make this work. I have to imagine that there was some sort of, I can't really see it because it's dark, but they made this for a radiator or something, because it wouldn't be like this. I just think this is just not one of the versions of it or something. So I'll have an update. So anyway, this is my case. I'm going with this for the build. I'm going to open up this whole thing right here, and this will be the ventilation. I might not even have an exit fan, we'll see. I'm just going to put all the fans here and just let it suck up the air, I think. And then we'll put some, I'm thinking it would be cool if we put LEDs here, but like behind here, and then just let it naturally flow out of the vents. And yeah, I like it. So HPNV12, as far as I know, $20 on Facebook. And I guarantee you this is better than many of the crappy Chinese cases that people buy on Amazon. There's the USB 3 thing. But I just have two problems. Number one, all of these headers go here. And if I put in an aftermarket motherboard or any standard motherboard, they're going to be down here. So I'm going to have to find a way to make them, they're kind of zip tied, so I think they'll stretch out. And what else? The USB-C, I'm not sure about this. And that's, you guys can maybe help me answer that question. So will this work through here? Because I thought there was a different kind of connection for the USB-C. And the motherboard that I was going to use doesn't even have a USB 3.0 plug. So I have to find a different one. But I think, is there a filter? Not sure if that's filtered or not. Anyway, I like it for $20. So this is my official case for my gaming budget BC challenge. I like the blank front. I'm not really a fan of having, 14 fans here with rainbow colors. I don't mind LEDs and stuff, but I don't want it in my face, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna see if I can kind of have like an accent light that maybe shines through here and then through the sides. And then I'm gonna also see if I can find a way to just like switch it off, because I don't want it to be on all the time. My desk, this would be right in front of my face, and I don't want my face to be glowing all night. So there you go. Envy.
This is not over.